Imagine the sun-scorched lands of northeastern Nigeria, where the effects of climate change aren't just a looming threat but a harsh reality. What if we told you that despite the challenges, there are mitigation strategies that can help? Nigeria, a vibrant country bursting with life, is unfortunately also one of the top 10 most vulnerable to climate change. The most populous African nation is grappling with the effects of climate change, manifesting as drought, flooding, sea level rise, and erosion. This environmental crisis is leading to a host of societal issues, including lower crop yields, food insecurity, deepening poverty, forced displacement, and conflicts. But all is not lost. There are mitigation strategies that can help us turn the tide. One such strategy is reducing deforestation and increasing reforestation. Trees act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By preserving our forests and planting new ones, we can help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Another strategy is to decrease our reliance on fossil fuels. By shifting towards renewable sources of energy, we can significantly reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we emit. Agricultural practice reforms are also a critical part of the solution. By adopting more sustainable farming methods, we can reduce the emission of greenhouse gases from agriculture. And then there's the role of non-farm employment in agrarian communities. A recent study found that non-farm jobs can increase smallholder farmers' adaptive capacities, helping them adopt more climate change adaptation strategies. By providing more employment opportunities for farmers, particularly during the off-cropping season, we can boost their ability to adapt and increase farm productivity. This is brought to you by Center for Microenterprise Development as part of our activities under the Rural Resilience Activity, RRA. Rural Resilience Activity is a FEED, the Future Initiative funded by the United States Agency for International Development USAID, implemented by Mercy Corps in partnership with Save the Children International and International Fertilizer Development Center. Our plan is to provide a mix of activities that educate members on climate change, promote good agricultural practices that prevent greenhouse gas emission, and mitigate the negative effects of climate change while continuing with our existing programs of access to finance and input for farmers and MSMEs.